guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing my 2024 wish list recap. We're basically going to go over everything that I said that I wanted to get in 2024, see if I got it, see what happened to it, if I did get it, just see where my thoughts are, pretty much. That's what we're going to do. And I am planning on uploading my 2025 wish list right after this video, so stay tuned if you want to see what I'm eyeing for 2025. But if you guys want to review my 2024 wish list with me, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you already want to say, if you're not already subscribed, to yourself. I post on Wednesdays and on Sundays. I'm trying, at least. I think I'm doing it at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I feel like you're gonna be here when I do. If you like literally like how to scare fashion, you like wish list recap videos, I feel like this is definitely where you're going to be, so you should subscribe if you're not already, and you should follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. It's just Key Danger. I post every single day over there. Every day is a reel, outfit of the day, something on stories. It's a lot, okay? It's a lot. We post a lot over there, so you should follow me over there if you're not already. And with all that out of the way, let's jump into the recap. I'm going to start by saying 2024 was supposed to be a low buy year for me, okay? It was not. It was not. It was the highest buy year, probably, of all the years. But no, it definitely was. It 100% was the highest buy of years. I actually was supposed to get only 2 bags in 2024. That was my goal, was 2 bags. I literally got double digits. We're not gonna talk about it right now because, like I said, there's a lot of unboxings coming your way, guys. There are so many to do, but I got a lot of bags in 2024. So right there, I already failed. I failed so hard on this no buy. It is like insane how bad this went. So putting that to the side, the first thing that was on my wish list was the Chanel camera bag. I think this was not released yet I think we only saw it on the runway when I made this video. Basically, that bag that came out like several seasons ago at this point from Chanel, that is shaped like a camera, and like the camera lens, I guess, part kind of opens up and reveals like a little area in the bag. I didn't get that bag. You guys know I didn't get that bag, and that fell off of the wish list so fast for 2 reasons. One reason, the price was insane. Okay, I didn't know how much it was going to be when I mentioned it in my wish list video, but I'm pretty sure it was around $10,000, and there was just no way. I'm sorry, there was no way. But the second reason was because the camera lens opening up, for some reason, it made me really not like the bag anymore. I don't know what that is. I mean, Chanel was trying to give us functionality. They were trying to do something cute there. Like, there is literally no reason that should bother me to the point of not purchasing something, but it did. The fact that it was $10,000 also really just put me over the edge. I was like,
oh no, please. I don't need a bag shaped like a camera that bad.
Actually, I do have a bag shaped like a camera, which I will link in the description box. It's from Amazon, and it's not $10,000. The next bag that was on my list was a vanity case from Chanel with a little top handle. I did actually tick this off. I got a royal purple vanity case from Chanel. I do not have it here to show you because I did sell it. A lot of the bags that I had in my collection, which I will link my entire bag collection up here, that's not my collection anymore, but you can look at it and see what I had. A lot of those bags are not in my collection anymore. So I did get the purple vanity case, and it was in the most beautiful purple shade. I ended up never using it. So I think I have a picture of it next to my heart bag, which I also don't have anymore. But that's the only picture I have with it because I never used the bag. I'll also link the unboxing of the bag up here. I have nothing bad to say about that little purple vanity case. I think it was adorable. I loved the color. I loved everything about it, and I got it for like a really good price. But it just doesn't fit with what my collection looks like right now. Next on my wish list was another bag from Chanel. It was the Mini 22 bag. I did also buy this year. I got this in like a beautiful dark chocolate brown, which, by the way, a dark chocolate brown bag was also on my wish list. It wasn't mentioned like together with the Mini 22. I kind of said I want a Mini 22 and then separately said I want a dark chocolate brown bag. But I ended up combining those two, and I got the Mini 22 in the most delicious chocolate brown ever. I also don't have this bag to show you because I did sell this one as well, but I'll link the unboxing for that up here. I did really like that bag. I have to say, the fact that it didn't close did end up bothering me more than I originally thought that it would. I also did a review, by the way, and I'll link that review up here as well. Plus the fact that I couldn't cinch that bag for shit. I could not cinch that bag, you guys. If you guys saw that review, you know that I just couldn't cinch it. I could not cinch it. And so basically it was just like a little open bag. And I will say that did end up bothering me. I mean, I probably would have sold it even if it did have the magnetic closure because, like I said, the collection is looking real different right now. She's real Hermes heavy these days. But I did like the 22 in the mini size, specifically in the mini size. I don't like the big 22 still. That tickle my pickle. Okay. So the next thing I mentioned was colors. I already said that I mentioned the chocolate brown bag, but I also mentioned that I wanted like a magenta, fuchsia, like a purpley pink type of color. I pretty much call this the Amelia Rose color because you guys know Amelia Rose loves this color, okay? I wanted a bag in this color so bad. And I will say, without giving too much detail, I did take this off, okay? That's all I got for you. The next thing that I mentioned was some fine jewelry. I really wanted the Cartier Juste un Clou necklace, the one that comes on like the chain and then has like the screw right here. You guys know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about. I honestly forgot this necklace existed. Like it didn't even fall off the wish list. Like it just like slipped off the wish because I just completely forgot that it was a thing. Like when I looked at my wish list video and saw that I mentioned this, I was like,
What? I want that.
I do think it's a beautiful necklace. I just like am not like dying to have it on my neck. Like there's just no part of me that is really like really needs to have that on my neck. You know, like if someone gave that to me, I will accept, thank you. But I'm just not gonna go to Cartier and like swipe the card. That's just not what's gonna happen. But yeah, that just, we didn't buy that. We're not gonna buy that. That just, I completely forgot about this necklace's existence. Like completely. I don't even know. I don't even know. The next thing that was on my wish list is the Cartier Clash ring. I wanted to get this ring for this finger and instead Elver ended up getting me the Hermes, I think this is called the Chandon ring. I'm pretty sure that's what I've been calling it. So I hope that's what it's called. I got that one instead and I honestly really love it, but I still love the Clash ring, you guys. So I'm thinking the Clash might have to have a home on this finger. I don't know. Actually, a thumb ring would be kind of cute. And the Clash ring as a thumb ring, wait a minute. Did I just do something? That would be kind of cute. Tell me not. I feel like that would be cute. But then I feel I still want a ring for this finger. So I don't know. The Cartier Clash ring is staying on the wish list. I did not forget that this exists. I also mentioned some bracelets. I was kind of between the Cartier Clash bracelet and the Van Cleef & Arpels Pearly bracelet that says Van Cleef & Arpels. I can tell you that the Van Cleef bracelet is completely off the wish list and it will never join this wish list again, okay? I tried that on at Fashion File. If you guys saw the vlog, I'll link it right up here. I hated that bracelet on me. And I don't hate it like from here. Like if I look at it from here, like in the box, I'm like,
Oh, that's cute. I can see why people like that.
but the second it touched my wrist, I was like,
No, get this off me.
I do have pretty small wrists, like really small wrists and really small hands and fingers in general. So I feel like it was kind of overpowering. Maybe that's what it was because it is definitely on the thicker side. And then you have like that pearly design going around it. It's kind of a lot. So maybe that's what it was, but I hated that on me. But the Cartier Clash bracelet, I have still not tried on. The Clash design in general, I just think is freaking stunning. And I can't just write it off without actually trying it on first. It is thinner, I think. Obviously, I've never put them like next to each other, but I believe that it is thinner than the Van Cleef bracelet. So I'm feeling like maybe I'll like that one, but we'll see. We will see. I mentioned a Rolex on my wish list, you guys. I did not get that Rolex, okay? Months before I mentioned it in my wish list, I put my name down and they said,
Oh yeah, in a year we'll give you a call.
they have not given me a call. But even if they did give me a call, I still don't think that I would have bought that Rolex because, like I said, I've just not been interested in fine jewelry at all. So no, I'm not dropping 13K on a Rolex, which I'm sure will be even more than that by the time they call me. I'm okay. Also, I will say I got really into running in 2024, which I was not expecting at all. Now I pretty much wear my Apple Watch every chance that I get. So I'm just like, I'm good. Like, I feel like I'm good. The last thing that I mentioned on my wish list is the most annoying thing because it's a white belt. I feel like I always have a belt. Do I not? I always have a belt on my wish list. I did say that I wanted a Kelly belt, but I was also kind of tossing up between that or like a Valentino belt because the Valentino belt has like that really cute V logo. I can confirm I will not be getting a Valentino belt. That's just not what's going to happen. But I probably will be getting the Kelly belt because I'm going to be going on my Hermes journey this year. I feel like that's going to be like one of the most easy, like no-brainer purchases that I make. I'm just going to say,
Hey, I'll take a Kelly belt in white, please. Thank you.
Swipe the card and be on my way. I like my gold one, and I do use my gold one, but the white one I think will just go really well with a lot of summer dresses. That's just how I'm feeling. I would definitely get it with either gold or rose gold hardware. I don't really care. One of those two would be the ones, just because I don't like how white looks with palladium. Specifically white and palladium I don't like. But usually, you guys know I don't give a shit about hardware. Like, whatever hardware you're going to give me is the hardware I'm going to take. So that is it. Those were all of the things that I mentioned in my 2024 wish list. What do you guys think? Did I do good? I didn't do good. I did so bad, you guys. I did so bad.
This bun has just not, take a shot every time I say this bun, not been agreeing. Not been doing what I needed to do.
But yeah, guys, I know I did bad, right? I did really bad. But that's, you know what? That's life. I had plans, and you know, sometimes the plans don't work out the way you want them to work out. And you know what? That's fine. That is okay, because honestly, I have never been more happy with my collection than I am right now. I'm like obsessed with it. I cannot wait for you guys to see everything that I have got. Stay tuned, because 2025 is just going to be jam-packed with it's just going to be unboxings galore over here. So yeah, definitely stay a while, you know. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I post every single day over there. And that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Why does anybody need to see the hot ass mess? Nobody needs to see that. Nobody. I don't even need to see it.